Hello and welcome. I am Bhavin and you have tuned into the 6th episode of the Law and Tech Bulletin from Lawyers Learn, a show where we bring you the latest from the law and technology space. Here's what made headlines in the last fortnight. The central government has withdrawn the Personal Data Protection Bill 2021 from the Lok Sabha. The bill has been withdrawn after the Joint Parliamentary Committee suggested 81 changes to it. Announcing the move, Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar tweeted, and I quote, "The bill will soon be replaced by a comprehensive framework of global standard laws, including digital privacy laws for contemporary and future challenges." Remember, the bill, which was first introduced in 2018, sought to protect an individual's data over cyberspace and regulate the accessibility to personal data by companies and the government. However, it was sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee after the opposition alleged that the proposed law violated fundamental rights of citizens. The Supreme Court has allowed impleachment of all high courts that have stopped hybrid hearings. A bench of Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Sudhanshu Dhulia allowed the impleachment of the high courts while hearing a set of petitions seeking declaration of access to virtual hearing as a fundamental right. The petitioner had argued that the denial of access to hearing through virtual mode is akin to denial of fundamental rights under Articles 19 and 21 of the Constitution. The government has told Parliament that since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020, the high courts and the district courts across the country have performed a total of 1.92 crore virtual hearings. Amongst high courts, Karnataka High Court has topped the list with almost 8 lakh virtual hearings. On the other hand, Delhi is in first place in terms of the number of virtual hearings conducted at district courts. Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has made a strong case for the use of modern social media tools such as Twitter and Telegram by the judiciary. Speaking at an event in New Delhi, Justice Chandrachud said that the judiciary will lose the game if it does not shed its inhibition of using these modern means of communication. Making the pitch for judicial institutions to be the harbingers of change, he added that he thinks the judiciary can earn the respect of the community at large provided it adopts and comes onto the platforms which are so prevalent in society. And now a quick look at the global headlines. 3 French iOS developers have moved to California federal court against iPhone maker Apple. The developers have accused Apple of aggressive and improper monopolization of the App Store, which they claimed has stifled competition. A US judge has allowed a lawsuit against payments major Visa in a child pornography case. The lawsuit has accused Visa of helping Pornhub's parent company MindGeek profit from child porn by providing its payment services. And now, the big appointment of the fortnight. Former head of legal at Disney Plus Hotstar Amrita Mukherjee has quit the entertainment giant to join tech major Meta as director legal. A Symbiosis Law School graduate, Amrita Mukherjee had joined Star TV Network in 2008 as a legal manager. Prior to that, she had worked with multiple law firms, starting her career at Udwadhya Udeshi and Burgess in 2002. Those were the big stories for this fortnight. Our podcast is now available across all major platforms: Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, and Anchor. Do subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. You can also tune into this bulletin on YouTube. Please also share your feedback to help us make this bulletin better and more useful for you. See you soon with the next installment of the Law and Tech Bulletin from Lawyers Learn. Till then, toodaloo.